Hey guys! I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna do this. Hey guys! I'm gonna do some. So there's a. You already can see. I'm just gonna buy something. So MSP has bring ultras. So thank you MSP. But I think the other people who has it will be so disappointed. Like boy, I would be so disappointed when I just like this. I gave my I gave my goldie. This is only a thing, okay? I gave my goldie to someone, and what do you know? When you sit to the top, dude, load. When you sit to the top, boof. Hey guys, I just reload. So if MSP still will not give me the freaking top, I will be so mad. I swear to God. MSP, I swear to God, I will kill you. Be right back. Okay, guys. Thank you. I was gonna say thank you, MSP. You're really gonna break my nerves, because MSP, I have freaking loaded about 3 or 2 times and put this. So MSP, I would like to say to you to kindly flip off. Oh, yes, on my main, but I can't. My money is so much. Hey guys, I do it on my main too, and it didn't work. And this was on my mobile. Thanks. Well, on my mobile, it's only my Sony. Thank you. And she gifted me whatever the skirt thingy one. Yeah, this fishnet. And yeah, I'm sad. I'm very sad. Okay, what? Man. She's gonna find out another. Alright, I'm gonna go on my mobile. So this is pretty much I really hate it. Alright guys, this is it. Bye MSP, I hate you.